Hallyu everyone! It's just Paula and welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering what am I wearing today? Oh, by the way, this video is made in collaboration with the Philippine Embassy in Seoul, Korea. They gave me an invitation to join and experience Move with Malong, an online Philippine dance workshop. As a chosen participant, we will be taught by the Bayanihan Dance Company several movements using Malong, which I am wearing now. I'm very excited to learn one of the many Philippine folk dances. So, join me as we experience watching virtually Move with Malong. They provided us 2 Malong kits, one for me and one for my husband. The Malong kit contains the invitation from the Philippine Embassy in Seoul, Korea, a pouch which contains a booklet about Malong and everything we need to know about our workshop. Lastly, this beautiful cotton piece of fabric with colorful detailed pattern that we call Malong. There were 2 live sessions for this online cultural workshop. I joined the second session via Zoom last September 11th. The workshop started with a Kappa Malong Malong dance performance by Bayanihan, the national dance company of the Philippines.
It's the rhythm running in our blood. The ingenious motions that unravel history. Waves bridging diverse islands, and glorious beats celebrating our colors. Our timeless resilience, nurtured by the present, shaped by the future, moving with and within you. This is Move with Malong.
And a greeting from our host, Miss Chow, to all the participants around the world. We, the participants, were called as movers. Our movement masters were also introduced, Miss Leonor Petra Elepanyo and Mr. Leo Lawrence Lorilla. We then started our warm-up with breathing exercise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And a general stretching from head to feet.
Let's do head rotation first. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you so much, Petra, and to all our movers. Anyone here feeling extra motivated after that warm-up? Raise your hand. Go ahead.
Miss Chow instructed us to open our Malong pouch, and she explained briefly what is Malong and Kappa Malong Malong dance about.
There you go. And 3, 2, 1.
They also showed us a 5-minute pocket film entitled The Magnificence of Malong, which I recommend for everyone to see if you really want to know more about the meaning behind this beautiful fabric.
But more than just a piece of cloth, this colorful garment is a symbol of culture.
After learning so much about Malong, we learned how to wear it twice. For the male, they learned how to wear it as a turban.
And then you put it on your forehead and then twist it 3 times at the back. 3 times. Okay. And then the excess fabric, toss it forward. You can twist it 2 times on the base of your head. Okay, the excess fabric, toss it there on top of your head.
Yan.
While for the female,
Right
we
side.
learned how to wear it as
Your
a skirt.
left hand.
All right.
Good job.
Movers, looking good. Now you found one way to actually use the malong.
And we were taught how to dance one formation of the Kappa Malong Malong dance. First, our movement masters demonstrated the Kappa Malong Malong dance to us. As you can see, male movers has more complicated dance steps and it has a faster beat and formation compared to female movers. That's why male movers had to learn it first because it takes a lot of practice and patience. After watching their demonstration, we learned the figures step by step.
Okay, pull the back part of the malong, crossing it over the front chest level. Lift the lower part of the malong over your head. So let's do figure 1. Right arm goes backwards like you're waving through there, back. Then put it in front of you. Make a small kumintang in and then small kumintang out with your pointer finger at your temple, the right temple.
We also
Basic footwork
learned
would
the
be
footworks of this dance.
Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And
Then, applying the figures with counts.
4, saludo. 5, 6, 7, 8.
And lastly, dancing with the music.
Figure 1. Front and kumintang. Get the malong face. Skirt. And release. Head protection. Walk. And turn. Pause. And release.
And last but not the least, we finished our workshop with a souvenir by having our group photo taken. Can you find me?
In 3, 2, 1. Everyone, say malong.
Malong.
Alright, how did we do? Comment below. Beside with me is my husband Doris, and we will be sharing our thoughts with you about our experience in this cultural workshop. What was your overall impression, or how did you feel about participating in this program?
It was interesting. It was not too long. It was fun to struggle with other people online while trying to learn the dance moves.
What's your favorite part of this program and why?
I enjoyed the dance part. It was fun, even though it was difficult. And I also enjoyed the music, which has very unusual sounds. And I thought it was very interesting to hear.
I'm curious though, is there something similar in your country, which is France?
Yes, so we have similar dances, but each region have their own dances and their own culture. So it's not something national, but yeah, not many people knows about it anymore.
Lastly, what did you learn about our culture in this workshop?
I think the Malong is a good representation of how ingenious Filipino people are, and how they enjoy celebrating simple things in life. So yeah, that's something I got from this workshop.
As for me, again, it's interesting to see different faces and races from various parts of the world. I really feel blessed and honored to participate in this online event. I may not be a good dancer, but I feel happy that I was able to do it. And I also learned a lot with this online cultural workshop, such as the meaning behind the different types of colors and fabrics of this malong, and also their usage. Even if I learned this information in books, I was able to appreciate more of my culture, especially the Philippine culture of folk dance. Nothing beats first-hand experience. Also, I was very surprised to learn that we have similar usages of this fabric in Southeast Asia and parts of Africa. It's so nice to feel some connection to different people all over the world. And as an expat in Korea, it feels so homey and cozy to reconnect with our heritage through this online cultural workshop. There's truly a lot of valuable information in this online cultural workshop Move with Malong. If you want to know more about this online workshop, I will put the link in the description box below. Thank you so much, Department of Foreign Affairs in the Philippines, NCCA, and to all the team who worked hard to make this online cultural workshop Move with Malong a great success. I'm looking forward to more of your online cultural workshops in the future. So, please make sure to tune in at the Department of Foreign Affairs Philippines YouTube channel. Again, I will attach the link in the description box below. And of course, thank you also to the staff of the Philippine Embassy, especially to Her Excellency Maria Teresa Dizon de Vega, and to Mom Charmy for reaching out and making this collaboration happen. And thank you so much to everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got a glimpse of what my country, the Philippines, has to offer. And hopefully someday, when the pandemic is over, grab the chance to visit the Philippines and try one of our many Philippine folk dances. But for now, as I always say, stay safe wherever you are and God bless you. Bye!